This is the walkthrough video for PCTC 24-25 Round 1 Pathfinder Question 8 Check and Mat. So here we're given the size of a check and mat, and following these funky rules we need to output the check and mat. So the first thing we do is input the width as an integer, and we also input the height as an integer. Awesome. And now we need to go through, so for row in height, we want to print off each row. Now each row is made up of 3 lines. So we need to craft each of the lines individually. So let's just say a line is equal to empty string for now. And now we need to figure out whether we start off with an @ symbol or a hashtag symbol. So for every even row, so for every row 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on, we start off with the black, so the @. And for the odd rows, we start off with the hashtag. So that's relatively easy to code in. So if row is even, then the ordering is going to be equal to @ and then hashtag. Otherwise, order is going to be equal to hashtag and then @. Awesome. Now we need to build up each line itself. So each line has a chunk of 3 characters. It has as many chunks as the width. So for column in range width, and you may have noticed I missed the range up here, so let's quickly fix that. So for column in range width, we need to add to line 3 times the symbol. Now, what is the symbol we're using? The symbol is, if we look at order, we want to index 0 initially, and then 1, and then 0, and then 1. So we can actually just take column as the number, and then do a mod of 2. So that basically checks to see whether it's even or odd. And so if the value of this is 0, it's even. If the value of that is 1, it's odd. And therefore, that way, we correctly choose the correct symbol from our order. So once we have the entire line built up, then we want to print off the line 3 times. So let's do print off line. And then, well, we just want to print off 3 times. Let's do that. And that hopefully should give us all 5 points. Nice.